Yo, what's up, guys? So today we are gonna play Endless Trespasser. Yep, this is one of it's kind of famous, so we're gonna play this game. So yeah, let's go. Wait, should I play with this guy? You know what? I'll play alone. Okay, the hotel. I guess let's go to the hotel. Okay, brother, you can't join me. Get you can't join me, lol. Okay. Okay, I know a little bit. I saw some few of the gameplays. It's easy, except the anomalies, and they can't kill you. Okay, E. It's a tutorial. I gotta do this, or else the game won't allow me to play. Okay, emergency exit. Here is one. E. Okay, it's closed. Emergency exit. Even here, let's close that up. What is it? Okay, it doesn't work. Some phone. Yeah, I know this. To check the anomaly. Oh, it's the center of anonymous control. Yeah. Anomaly detector 0. No, I didn't even check anyone, brother. Okay, look out for suspicious. Keep emergency exit shut, or anonymous may sneak in. Use a computer for cameras. Charge the generator to avoid losing power. If you suspect an anomaly inside, call the phone. You can hide safely inside, okay? I can do that. What? Okay. Hello, my name is Nicholas. Sorry, my English is not good. Okay, it's okay. Please, I have here. Okay, hello, good. Okay, he's going home. Oh shit, this thing is open. Yeah, one sec. Let me go here. Is it this one? Yep, it is. It is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, let's go back. What happened? Okay. Yeah, got vending machine near her. I'm mad hungry. You're not living here though. Get out. Okay. What else should I check for? What was that? It's okay. Anything? No. Let's check that. Is the generator? Oh my god, the generator is almost gone. I gotta keep this on. Yep. Hi. Every day is a good day. Okay. So, I think you're listening to a song. Is your limbs there? Yeah. Just a stop now. Yep. Maps. Hotel rooms. Check in. Yeah. Whatever. What? Should I check this? Okay, this is open. Anything else? Okay, only that thing is open. Gotta go fast. Yep, it's right here. And beacon? Nah. Good. It shift works? Yeah, it does. Sprint. Yep. Hello, fella. You don't look good. Get out. The lights been flickering when you come. Okay. What? The generator? Okay. E, E, and another E. Okay, yep. Hi. Hola, vivo, kiss. Gracias. Okay. I don't know Spanish. I think it's Spanish. I don't know. E. Anything else? Oh my god, I hate this. Every once, uh, you know, a residential guy comes, there's some door open, the exit is open. How do they even get open, dude? Okay, we don't talk about that. We just do our work. Yep. Yeah, this is the one. Excuse me. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Um, some guy was there. It's okay. We just doing our job. That's what we do. Is someone there? Bro, you gotta relax. Actually, bro, get out. Oh my god, that's so cursed. Okay, let's charge this up. E, another E. Yeah, just back from the movie, I saw the scariest movie. There's no way I'm gonna be able to fall asleep. Are you okay? Like, let me zoom in. I can't. He's like mouth ulta or something. No. He's good. He's good. He's good to go. Anything? No. Oh, bro. Okay. I'll go close that. Okay. Hello, fella. I've been seeing you from the last time. You've been trying to sneak in our home. Why don't you buy a house, brother? You can, right? Okay. I need to go save Super Earth from democracy. Get out, brother. Okay. He is weird. Okay, I need to switch on this. Okay. Another. Yep. It's full. Yep. What's up? Just got back from a rad concert. I'm in room 18. Okay, you can go. You look normal. Do you have your limbs? Yep, you can go. Wait, is that open? Yep. Okay, bro didn't come to check us out. I think he bought an apartment finally. A flat. Okay. Every day is a good day. Okay, I think you're normal. You can go. Yep. Every day is a good day, probably. You know what? Let's keep it full. Okay. Wait, why is it not happening? Yep. What's up? I did an experiment in my room last. Did you know lemons float and lemons sink? What the? You look kind of weird, don't you? You know what? I don't kind of trust you. You have like scars and blue skin. It doesn't match up. Any doors open? No doors open. Oh, can you hurry it up? Do you understand the global and economic state world? Okay, it looks like it's okay, it's like, the shy face. Okay, one remaining to complete one night. Wait, why? Oh, let's fulfill this. Okay, maybe I could, okay, I think one of these. Is it that? Yep, it is. Yep, let's close it. Is bro here? No. Yeah, confirmed. He bought a flat. Yep, let's go. There's no way I'm gonna. Yeah, you can go. Do you have the aliens? Yep, you do. You can go. Okay. I thought, like, what happened? Night 2. New section unlocked. Ah, okay. New section. What is it? Okay, you know what? Let's concentrate. Here. What is it? Okay. Oh my god, bro. Just standing over there. I need to close fast. Oh my god, it's so stressful. Actually, it's kind of stressful. Okay. He almost opened the door. More than half. Okay. Did you hit this glitch? Do it again? I don't trust you. Get out. Okay, the power. Okay, won't you be exhausted? Okay, do you have your limbs? Okay, I think you're a chef. Got some cut in your cheeks, I guess. It's okay, I can go. I know what meaning. We can do this. Yep, it's easier. Now the generator for sure. Is that open? Which one is open? Okay, yeah, that one. Yo, hi. Didn't you buy the apartment? Oh, it's a hotel. Yeah, you just booked for 1 day, I guess. I understand. Oh, it's a new section. Oh, okay. What? I forgot what she said. It's okay. I'll leave you go inside. Don't be annoying me though. Okay, you're going down. Imagine IRL, wouldn't you be? Limit time of for one. You can decline or accept me. Oh, yes, sus. You're very sus. Get out. You're actually sus. Okay, now what? Should I check this because I just turned on? Wait. Oh my god, 2? No, it's 2, brother. Wait, 2 people? I gotta press shift. It close up. Not this? Then which one? Okay, yeah, this. Hi, brother. You didn't buy still? Buy one. Tomorrow, night 3. Yep. If you're broke, it's okay. But please, it's just... whatever. Leave it. Anyone? Yep. Hello, brother. You're weird. But you know what? You look fine. You look like from. Yeah, you can go. You can. Okay, the generator, brother. Turn it on. Yep, it's full. No new. What? Okay. Is that open over there? Okay, this one is open. Okay, this one is open. Okay. Let me close this. Yeah, as I said, don't play sneak, brother. I beg you. Go to an eye doctor, man. Your eyes are red. Here. Was it this one? No, it wasn't. No, the corner one. The full inside. Yeah, this one. Come on, man. There you go. Why isn't... Oh my goodness, what the... Who entered? Damn, who entered though? Damn, okay. So what should we do, guys? Oh my god. It was actually like, who did I let in? Let me know in the comments who did I let in sus. Please, comment it down. Should I join, like a team? No, 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 leave. Yeah, okay, oh, okay, a guy's down. Anyone want to join us? I choose the hotel. Yeah, done. Yep, let's go. Trio. Yeah, I'm the host, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Guys, listen. I'll take care of the people coming here. Dude, you, in front of me. You take care of the cameras. I don't know if you can really hear me or what. But you take care of the cameras. Brother. You take care of the cameras. Okay, can't understand sign language, I guess. You know what, I kind of help them. Brother, you do the cameras. Yep, he understands. You do the cameras. Call on the phone, okay. E. Okay. Dude. Okay, I know this. I know. Come on. Yep. Dude. What happened to him? Okay, whatever. Brother, you take care of the... Yeah. Okay, I think they're audible to my voice. I don't know. Damn. Okay, guys. You know what? If you want the next series, I want at least 5 likes. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.